So this is my unboxing of the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. I got a nice deal for Cyber Monday. This is the Generation 7. So let's take a look. Inside the cardboard box, you can see this styrofoam padding. Take everything out. Like that. Here's another cardboard box, which I assume is holding the charging cable. Styrofoam pads off. Wow, this is really nice. So they've wrapped the laptop in this nice box here. This is actually very much like the Apple MacBook Pros. You know, they come in this nice packaging. I really appreciate this. It really makes the quality of the ThinkPad a lot nicer. I got a pretty nice deal for this, less than $1,000. I think it came out to like $960 with tax. This is 16 gigabyte i5. This is really nice. It's inside, yeah, here's the packaging. This is so light. I've never owned a Carbon before, but I've heard such good things about it. And as a radiologist, I kind of want a nice light PC laptop because the software we use for our dictation is only for PC Windows, so I figured I might as well invest in that, even though I do love Macs. Unwrap this thing. Oh wow, okay. That feels pretty good. Always so nice unwrapping a new electronic device. Such a geek for these things. I guess that's probably why I went into radiology. Wow, this is so light. I feel like it's even lighter with the plastic off now. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Keyboard feels really good. Type on that for days. I turn this thing on. Oh, there's the power right there. Let's see if it has any power though. Might not. Oh, well, I guess I can't really show you what the screen looks like. I can't really enjoy the screen right now either. It's a TK screen. So I didn't get the 4K because I heard it drains the battery life. Even though I probably could use that resolution for X-rays. But I have some external monitors that I hook up to that I think could do the job anyways. This shutter right there. Yeah. Pretty happy with this. How it looks, how it feels, see how it runs. Gonna power it up in a bit, put it through its course. This nice trackpad here, glass trackpad. Here's the fingerprint reader. Oh, it's so thin, so incredibly thin. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, that's my unboxing. Pretty happy with this. See if I'll keep it though. Maybe I'll return it. It's a 30-day policy for Lenovo, which is great. Thanks for joining.